My name's Emma Hogan and I'm a coloured pencil artist, and I thought I'd share today with you how I store my coloured pencils. I originally used to store them in this box, which is by Meeden. I purchased this on Amazon a few years ago now, and it stores all my overflow. Because I switched to this one. This one's from Amazon. Big pencil case with a handle. So I bought this just to transfer my pencils to Canada when I moved here 2 years ago. And I just found it worked so much better for me. I could see them visually, I could have them on my little table next to me, and it just worked out so much nicer than using this one. This is another one that I picked up from a thrift shop, and it just stores the pencils I don't use as much. So these ones here I use quite a bit, so these are always next to me. They're just stored in colour family. These are more like neutral colours that I use all the time. This is my Derwent pencil buddy, which I use on the project that I'm currently working on. There's no point me talking too much about this guy because he's been discontinued, but it has bristles in there that you can store your pencils without stabbing yourself. It's a shame you can't get hold of them no more. I think I paid £60 on Amazon for it back in the day. It's obscene considering it was £10 when it came out. But I just really wanted to get one because it looks so good, and it really is. I would love to have 2 of these. So these are my projects that I'm working on. When I'm not working on my main project, I store them in there. And this is just a little guy that I store my little pencils in that I then transfer into the pencil extenders when they get too small. I painted this back in the day when I was a pottery painter back in, it's over 20 years ago in Wickwall. English country pottery. I don't know if it still exists. So yeah, so I store them in there. So that's basically how I store my pencils. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.